happy. Your students are like of guys.
Hello, Dolly.
Hi,
I am the principal.
Oh,
Ngimnomkhulu walakhaya.
wow, nice
Yeah.
to meet you, Principal.
Nice to meet you. I've heard a lot about you and I'm expecting great things.
Really?
Yeah, so prove
Okay,
me
that's
right.
nice. Ngiyabonga.
Yeah.
My own sister, my little sister, she's looking for part-time classes, and I don't know which subject that you have, so then I can tell her to come and register.
I'm telling you, she came to the right place. So we have lots of different courses part-time.
Okay.
We have business management, so if she's in the business world, she wants to go somewhere business related. We have public human resources management as well. We have bookkeeping. We have financial accounting. So there's a lot
Okay.
of, and public management, so there's a lot of opportunity. She can come and see us and we were able to follow stomfaka lapha line namela ukuthi hambe khona.
Uze abe la
Ukuthi ifike ngale
atofunza.
njengawo. Ngisho
Shame.
sokuqalile
Mina
ke
phela sengiqalile ama-class ami. Okay, ngiyabonga principal yathi ngizomtshela nomntwana ethe ato-register angamoshakalelwa lisasa lakhe ukuthi ahlale ekhaya akethe atofunza atobhalisa.
Whoa girl, the time is going, eh? Your class is waiting.
Cha,